So what you can also do is you can set reminders for calendar events inside of Microsoft Outlook. So to do that, I can go around and click on this particular event right here, and then I can go around onto edit over here. So once I do that, I can go around onto this event, and here you can see that right now the reminder is set to 15 minutes before. So what I can do is I can go around over here and set it to, let's say for example, I want it to be reminded 30 minutes before right here. So you get a notification 30 minutes before, and whoever is invited onto the event as well, they get a notification 30 minutes before. So once you go around and do that, it can also be 1 day before right here or 1 hour before, as you can see right here. But what you can also do is you can add in an email reminder right here. So you can add in an email reminder, and let's say for example you have an event. So let's say for example you want this, and you can send this to attendees as well, let's say 30 minutes before, and click on save. You can also add in 2 email reminders by clicking on add email reminder and select, let's say for example 12 hours before as well. So let's say for example pre-notification right here, just like this, and you can send this to attendees and press on the save button just like this. And that is how you can set out reminder for calendar events inside of Microsoft Outlook, so that your attendees are reminded of all of the events right here. So once you go around and do that, you can go around and click on send, and the reminder is set accordingly right here. You can go around onto this particular event right here, just like this, and then you can go around onto the reminder section, and you can see all of the reminders, and you can edit the reminder emails and then delete it out if you don't want as well, and then save it out as per how you want. So that is how you can set reminders for calendar events inside of Microsoft Outlook. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.